Hello, welcome back to my channel. Last video, I have created the candlestick chart with line and stack column visual. In the chart, we did a rich tooltip to highlight the price summary info based on our hover over the visual. Microsoft Learn site has the explanations in details regarding what is the tooltip pager, how to create it, what are the benefits and limitations, etc. In this video, I shall demonstrate a way on how to create a customer tooltip for my candlestick chart as a practice example for your reference. Let's get started. First, we need to create the tooltip measures. Name it as a price summary. Here we need to create variables for trading date, stock code, all price points, volume point, and Bollinger Band points. Then return the combinations of this variable with line break text code unicar 10 to the measure price summary. Create a new pager in the desktop for tooltip visual creation. Enable tooltip option. Adjust the tooltip pager size. Format the tooltip pager background. Design tooltip pager. Link to the candlestick chart visual. Now the tooltip is ready. Have a checking, and it shows what we want when we hover over the chart. That is all in this video. If you want to watch more videos from my channel, please press the subscribe button in below. And see you in next video.